I just put together a list of the top 5 winning products for you to sell on your dropshipping stores in March 2024. We'll talk about the details of each product, including what makes it a winner, why you should sell it, the price you should sell it for, as well as the ad interests you should start off targeting. We'll also look at some competitor stores as well as TikToks and Facebook ads promoting those products. So remember to drop a like and subscribe for more. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's get right into it. All right guys, we have our best winning products to sell this month right here. Before we get into that, I just want to mention that I have a winning products newsletter linked down below where I send out exclusive products just like the ones we're about to go over, as well as real examples and case studies from other dropshippers sent every other week at no cost to you guys. So remember to sign up for that if you haven't already. And with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, the first winning product that we have for March is this electric heat therapy knee massager that you can see right here. I said this knee massager is racking up a ton of sales for other dropshippers recently. It's a higher ticket item, meaning you make more profit per sale compared to other traditional dropshipping products, and it solves a common problem or customer pain point, which is knee pain, providing an instant solution. So any problem solving products just like this that solve a customer pain point or make their lives easier is a winning product that you want to focus on. There's multiple AliExpress listings with thousands of recent orders and high rated reviews on each listing. There are a handful of other dropshipping brands doing amazing with this product, and it's still early enough for you to jump on this trend before it becomes too saturated. You can market this product to people of all age ranges and backgrounds that experience knee pain. If you guys want to sell this product, you can actually sell it for upwards of $129.99, costing you $34.11 on AliExpress, which you can negotiate much lower with your suppliers when you start generating sales for a profit of $95.88 per sale. This is only a profit margin of 74%, which is still high, but when you're making $95.88 per sale, that's not something you really have to worry about. The interests you could start off targeting on Facebook ads if you want to go that route with this product would be aging, massage, retirement planning, and sports. So you guys can reach people of all backgrounds and all age ranges. Let's take a look at another store that is currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video that's promoting it. All right, so right here we have the knee massager from Monkika. They appear to be a niche dropshipping store selling like massage type products or pain relief products, just like this one. So they're obviously doing a great job in this niche. They have some high quality images of their product right here, probably taken right off of AliExpress. I like how they call out their target audience with these few paragraphs right up here. They're selling it for $149.99, marked down from $300 with 111 customer reviews. They have some bullet points right here with the benefits of this knee massager. Okay, so right here they have some additional information. They have a reviews tab right here. They have a sticky add to cart button, meaning as you scroll down this page, the add to cart button stays at the bottom of your screen. So let's take a look at their description. Once again, they call out their target audience, which they're doing a great job. They're dividing up their description with different paragraphs talking about the product, high quality images, and just doing a good overall job selling this product. Let's keep scrolling down. They have more benefits, how to use it. Okay, I really like this. They have a linked video of this product. They have some trust badges down here, some information about their store, about their product. And okay, right here is a very good job with their different offers. They're selling 1 for 50% off, 2 for 55% off, or 3 for 60% off. I like their offers down here at the bottom. They do a great job displaying those and just overall doing a great job describing and selling this product. They have an FAQ section right here with different questions customers might have about this product, as well as a review section at the bottom of the screen for social proof. Overall, this is a great product page, justifying that pricing point. All right, here's that same product from another brand on TikTok. They do a great job with their hook, calling out their target audience, just like the last brand that we just looked at. Overall, they do a great job describing this product. There's their call to action at the end. You guys want to recreate something similar to this when you go to sell it yourself. All right, another trending product that I've been seeing a lot of recently is this portable fruit juicer that you can see right here. I said this product has gone viral for multiple brands on TikTok and is currently being scaled by a handful of brands on Meta ads. It's unique, attention grabbing, and allows for scroll stopping content. Those are all features of winning products that you want to focus on. It's a perfect product with the rise of health conscious consumers wanting to make more at home. There are multiple AliExpress listings with over 1,000 recent orders, all containing high rated reviews from real users on the platform. Once you start making a few sales each day, you can easily negotiate lower pricing with your suppliers, getting it for $9 to $15 instead of that $20.70 pricing point that we see right now on AliExpress. You guys can go on to sell it for $59.99, making you a profit of $39.29 per sale with a decent profit margin of 66%. But like I already mentioned, once you start testing and validate this product, you can easily get that to be much higher. The ad interest that you want to start off targeting for this product, if you want to sell it on meta ads, would be juice, fruit, as well as healthy eating. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product, as well as a viral TikTok video promoting it. All right, this is the portable electric juicer from HLL Pro. They have a little paragraph right up here at the top: no more struggling with inefficient tools. Let portable electric juicer run electricity for you. It really doesn't make any sense. It doesn't really call out a target audience. I would definitely restructure that, but they have some bullet points up here with some benefits about this product. They're selling it for $59.50, marked down from $98. They have some pretty high quality product images up here at the top. They could definitely be improved, obviously taken right off of AliExpress. They have their offer right here. You guys can buy 2 and get an extra 5% off, buy 3 for 10% off. They have some bullet points right here with more information about the product. I like when product pages have GIFs and videos on them. This one is really low quality though. It's really blurry. It doesn't really do a good job promoting this product. You definitely want high quality GIFs, high quality images, and high quality videos all throughout your product page, but they have the right idea. Scrolling through, they have features you'll love. So more information about this winning product. Images taken right off of AliExpress. I would definitely clean this up a little bit. I don't like that. Instructions on how to use the product. So overall, it's just a mess with too much thrown together. I do like the video right here. They have a video showing how this product is used, and then they have their customer reviews down here at the bottom. So they definitely need a stronger offer. They need better upsells. They need better quality images, GIFs, and videos throughout their product page. I like this video right here, but that's just about all I like on this product page. So right here is a viral video promoting this product. They don't really have a strong hook. It's just a video showing how the product works and them, actually using it. So I would definitely do a better job when you go to create your own TikToks. All right, product number 3, we have this indestructible cutting disc that you can see right here. I said this problem-solving product is perfect for people who love to take on projects. People get tired of going through countless cutting discs that break, wear down fast, and never last long enough to complete a project. Trust me, I've been there. Anytime you buy these, you have to buy like 10, 20 of them at a time. You have to buy them for different uses. This one is actually an all-in-one. It does so many things at once, and this is definitely a product that I would buy myself. It's versatile, cutting through anything like ceramic, glass, metal, tiles, or anything similar. It's racked up over 5,000 recent orders within the last week and has a very broad appeal. There's already a ton of content available for you to use in your ads and organic videos to get started testing this product, and it matches our winning product criteria and is very low price, allowing for high profit margins. You guys can sell this disc for $19.99, costing you $2.34 on AliExpress, making you guys a profit of $17.65 per sale with a high profit margin of 88%. So this is exactly what you're looking for in a winning product. The interest you could start off targeting on Facebook ads would be tools, home improvement, as well as DIY projects. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's selling this product, as well as a Facebook ad promoting it. All right, so right here we have the grinding disc, cut everything in seconds. That is the product title from Wear & Bear. They have the same exact AliExpress image that I just used on the previous slide. I would definitely clean them up a little bit, throw it on Canva, make it branded, make it unique, instead of just copying everything right off of AliExpress. There's a little too much going on in each photo, but these are some decent product images. I would just definitely clean them up a little bit, add my own branding and all of that. Here's some more information about this winning product. They have a really high quality and good GIF right here promoting the product. I really like that. Cut anything in seconds. They have supporting images and GIFs and paragraphs throughout this description. This is what I'm always looking for in a description to sell a winning product. And some more images taken right off of AliExpress. So like I already said, I would clean up the images just a little bit. They are high quality, but there's a little too much going on. They have The disc versus traditional discs, I really like comparison images just like that. They have advantages. An FAQ, you may also like, so they're obviously a general dropshipping store if they're selling this cordless electric chainsaw and all these different necklaces. So I would definitely include some relevant products on them you may also like, but other than that, they do a decent job selling this product. I would definitely include some upsells to get people to, buy 5, 6, maybe even 10 at a time so they can stock up on them and you can increase your AOV and make a lot more per sale. All right, so right here we have a Facebook ad promoting this video. Those who buy cheap buy twice. They have a comparison of their disc versus other ones. They're showing it in use, cutting through really anything. They're showing the different sizing options. I really like the way they're structuring this Facebook ad. If you guys go to sell this product and you guys use content that's already available, I would definitely edit videos just like this to call out your target audience and get people to purchase this product from you. All right, product number 4, we have this electric dish brush that you can see right here. I said nobody likes doing dishes, and this scrubbing brush makes the job 10 times easier. Like we already mentioned, any product that makes your customers' lives easier is a winning product that you want to sell. There's a ton of free content to use on TikTok for multiple viral videos, and it's a versatile product with a very broad appeal. It's gotten over 10,000 recent orders with one AliExpress supplier alone, with thousands of 5-star reviews showing the customer satisfaction from real buying customers. This product costs you $8 on AliExpress. Once again, you can negotiate that to go a little bit lower with each supplier once you start making a few sales per day, but you can start selling it for $39.99, making you a profit of $31.99 with a 80% profit margin. If you guys want to start testing this product on Facebook ads, I would definitely start with the interests cooking, food, as well as family. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product, as well as a viral TikTok video promoting it. All right, so right here we have the versatile electric spin scrubber multifunction cleaning tool with 4 brush heads from Trending Viral Now. I would definitely clean up this title right off the bat. There's too much going on. You want it to be branded, you want it to be short, and just convey what exactly the product is. Everything else you can talk about in the description. So they're obviously a general dropshipping store. You guys can see they have fashion, home goods, phone accessories, travel and outdoors, electronics, cars, toys, and more. They have 50 imported reviews right up here at the top. They're selling it for $49.95, marked down from that $80 pricing point. You guys can save 38%. They have different variants with the color options. They have free 3-day delivery. So here's some images of this product right here, obviously taken right off of their supplier's page. Once again, I would throw those on Photoshop or Canva and clean everything up. Scrolling down, they have a high quality GIF of their product with the supporting paragraph right above it. I like that already. They have some key features about this product. I would definitely make it a little bit more about the consumer and what exactly they get out of this product instead of taking bullet points like right off of AliExpress. Where and when to use, another high quality GIF, why choose it, product benefits, some more GIFs. So I like the GIFs in the videos on their product page. I always use those on my own product pages. What's inside the package, some social proof, buy with confidence, and here is all of their imported reviews down here at the bottom. So I would definitely have some sort of an upsell. I would make my offer a little bit stronger to justify that pricing point. The only thing I really like about this product page is the different GIFs they're using, but it's kind of just thrown randomly throughout. Nothing's really organized. Nothing really looks visually appealing. So I would definitely clean this product page up a little bit if you guys want to go and sell this product yourself. So right here is a viral TikTok video promoting this product. They show the brush with the different scrubbing heads right up here at the top. They don't really have a strong hook. And you guys always want to use captions throughout your videos because 88% of videos on social media are actually watched without sound. So you always want to have captions, you want to have a strong hook, and you want to have a strong call to action at the end of the video, none of which this TikTok has. All right, product number 5. This is a fun product for pet owners, and we know pet owners are always eager to spend money on their dogs, cats, whatever they have. This is the dog tennis ball launcher. There is always a ton of money to be made with the dog niche, and this is the newest viral product to sell. It's in the top 20% of liked ads on TikTok, featured in a few different viral videos, and is currently being scaled on Meta by a couple of different brands. It's another higher ticket item that offers amazing profit margins, allowing you to spend more on ads to acquire new customers. It has a ton of sales on AliExpress, Amazon, as well as Temu, all with very high ratings to show the customer satisfaction for this product. There's a ton of content available for you to use in case you want to start testing this product out right away, whether you want to go with TikTok organic, or you guys want to run TikTok or Facebook ads, or anything in between. If you guys can sell this product for $159.99, costing you guys $59.99, making you a profit of $100 per sale with a profit margin of 63%. So once again, just like every product we've talked about, once you guys start selling this and start making a few sales per day, you can easily negotiate much lower pricing with any of the suppliers that you choose. You guys can get this cost down from $59.99 but to say, $20 to $30 per product, depending on which suppliers you're working with. If you guys want to run this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be dogs, puppies, as well as BarkBox, because people are already spending on their dogs. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store selling this product, as well as a viral TikTok video promoting it. All right, so right here we have the iFetch 2 ball launcher from iFetch. They're obviously a dropshipping store in the dog niche. I don't know why they included 2 in their title. That doesn't really make any sense to me, so I'd clean that up a little bit, but I do like the branding. I like how they included iFetch up there. They're selling it for $229.99. They don't have an offer on there. It's not a markdown. They don't have it on sale for anything, so I would definitely clean that up a little bit. They have 8 imported reviews right there. They have some features and benefits of this product. They have some product images up here, obviously taken like right off of AliExpress, but they're decent enough. I don't know if they really justify that $230 pricing point. Once again, I would definitely put this product on Canva or Photoshop and clean it up a little bit. They have some trust badges right here, the best new dog product from 2014, and another trust badge right there. So they have how it works. It shows the product in action, what your dog does to have fun with this product. They have a video right here from YouTube promoting this product. Overall, I like the high quality images and videos throughout this product page, and their supporting paragraphs. They have their customer reviews right here at the bottom, as well as you may also like. So I would definitely have some upsells of similar products. I don't know if people are going to be buying 2 or 3 of these at a time, but I would definitely upsell them on, packages of multiple tennis balls that you can use for it, or other similar toys. And I would definitely create a stronger offer around this product to justify that $230 pricing point. Because I don't know anybody that would stumble across this product page and spend $230 with a brand they know nothing about unless they have those features. All right, right here is a viral TikTok video around this product. It just shows a dog running up and dropping the tennis ball in there. Look how excited the dog is getting for it to launch. You guys always want to show customer satisfaction, whether it's dogs or people, whatever your product you're selling, in your videos. All right, guys, I already went through and found the best AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products, keeping in mind the pricing, the shipping speed, and just overall how trustworthy each one of these suppliers actually are. I'll leave this presentation linked for you down below if you want to go through and study it, and reach out to each one of these suppliers if you want to start testing any of these products. Those are the top 5 winning products you should focus on this month. If you need help selling any of these products, I have a free course linked down below. Don't miss out on that. And if you want more products just like these, don't forget to sign up for our Winning Products newsletter, also linked down below. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.